Jobber versus ZenMaid. So which one is better? All right, so let's go ahead and dive deep into this Jobber versus ZenMaid. Now, if you go ahead and would like to use any of these applications for your business, we do have links to these in the description box down below. So go ahead and feel free to tap that if you would like to use any of these applications for your business. All right, so let's go ahead and dive deep into, firstly, its purpose. So over on ZenMaid, ZenMaid is basically built specifically for residential and commercial cleaning businesses with features tailored for maid service management. So let's go ahead and just remove this so that you could have a clear picture of what ZenMaid is over here on get.zenmaid.com. Okay, so over on Jobber, which their website is getjobber.com, this is designed for small to mid-sized service businesses, including landscaping, plumbing, and cleaning. This basically focuses on job scheduling, invoicing, and client management. And one of its key features for Jobber is, of course, its job scheduling and dispatching. It also has automated client reminders and follow-ups. It also handles its invoicing and payment collection. As for ZenMaid, it has features like recurring cleaning job scheduling, automated client and team reminders, and also marketing tools for your customer retention. As for pricing, when you go ahead and tap on the pricing tab of ZenMaid, we do have these pricing structures: $15, or rather $19 a month for ZenMaid's starter pack, and the most popular, which is the ZenMaid Pro, which is at $39 a month. And lastly, we have ZenMaid Pro Max, which is $49 a month. And of course, over on Jobber, this typically starts at just $29 a month for its core package, $89 a month for its Connect package, and lastly, its Grow package is $149 a month. Moving on, of course, if you'd like to go ahead and use this for your business, Jobber is generally a field service software with a clean interface, which makes it easy to use. As for ZenMaid, this is tailored, of course, for cleaning businesses, making it more intuitive for that specific industry. So depending on your industry and use case scenario, you need to go ahead and evaluate this yourselves, depending on your business and what specific business you have, and if it is actually applicable for you. Now, in conclusion, if you need a more flexible service tool, you could go with Jobber. But if you're in the cleaning industry and want a tailored solution for your business, ZenMaid is the better choice. Now, let me know in the comments down below which one is going to be best for you. Of course, we do have links to these in the description box down below as well. And basically, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.